The 2015 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, power windows, power steering, air conditioning, CD player, radio data system. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Come take a test drive today.